Well, the mother of the so-called Affluenza teen, Ethan Couch, will soon be headed back to Texas to face charges. Tonya Couch appeared in a Los Angeles courtroom today and waived extradition. She's accused of helping her son evade police after he missed a probation meeting. Ethan Couch was convicted in 2013, you'll remember, for killing 4 people in a drunk driving crash. He was sentenced to probation after the defense argued that his affluent upbringing prevented him from knowing right from wrong. Well, Crimesider's Graham Cates is here to talk about all this. Graham, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
So explain what happened in court today.
This is pretty much what we expected. Tonya Couch's attorneys kind of indicated that she wanted to go back to Texas. They say that she believes that she didn't violate any laws when she was with her son, Ethan Couch, in Mexico. But of course, she's charged with hindering apprehension because authorities were looking for Ethan when they were there. She faces up to a decade in prison, depending on how that case plays out.
So Ethan Couch is meeting with his new lawyer in Mexico today. What does the lawyer have to say about the case and their potential strategy? They're not going to be able to use the Affluenza strategy again, are they?
That's right. Well, originally he was saying this was going to be a long process. He was going to make it be a proper extradition process. But late yesterday, he kind of started to back away. He said, let me first meet with Ethan Couch and see what he wants. And it's worth noting, at this point, Couch has been in an immigration detention center in Mexico City for several days. And it's possible that at their meeting today, he's going to say, I want to go back to the U.S. And so we're really waiting to see if they're going to go through this thing where they say, we want a proper extradition proceeding. We want the authorities to say why he should be sent back to the U.S. as opposed to just deported, where they put him on a plane and bring him back to the U.S.
And in a strange twist, his mom could probably go to jail longer than what this kid might have to do, time that he might have to do.
That's right. Ethan was charged in a juvenile court, and he has 10 years of probation. But if he were to be sentenced to incarceration for skipping out on probation right now, that can only go until his 19th birthday, and that's in April. So he faces really at this point a maximum of a few months in prison, whereas his mother could be in real adult prison for up to a decade.
Wow. Graham Cates, thank you so much for tracking this story for us. Remember, you can track all these stories by going to cbsnews.com/Crimesider.